Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Manisha and today I'm here with my two best friends. This is Bhumika. Hi. Hi.
Hi.
And this is Sudarshan.
Hi.
How are you doing, Sudarshan?
Very good.
Enjoying it? Loving this?
Yes.
Yeah, and also guys, we usually call her Bum, so if in the video I call her Bum, don't just get weirded out by it,
Yes.
okay?
In the comments.
Yeah, please don't do that in the comments. I guess you just gave it to them to do it. Yeah, so today's video is Best Friend versus Best Friend challenge where they each have bought me outfits and let's see who did it better, who could stand me better with the outfits that they bought, and both of them
This is
had
a challenge. Competing with Sudarshan.
Let me finish my intro. Both of them had $1,000 as a budget. So I guess you went a little over or something, right?
No, actually, then I had to return an item because they gave me a welding helmet.
Exactly. She got
But
a wedding
yeah, more
helmet.
on that later.
I'm still losing to that.
Yeah, I'm still using.
He's already accepted defeat, is what he is trying to tell. I really don't know. But before all this madness gets even more mad, let's get into the video. So who wants to show the outfit first?
That one. No, Susan is going to show it first.
Okay, we call him Susan by the way.
Yeah. Susan?
Okay, wait. Guys, wait. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's see.
Okay, fine. No 2 out of 3. The best
Yeah.
one.
Just
Nothing.
first.
One.
What is this? What is
Just
this? Ones or what? 1,
1,
2?
1, 3.
Okay.
Like,
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Huh? Ah! I win!
Okay. So yes, I got her an outfit, not exactly what I had in mind, but yeah, I don't
You
know.
have to explain.
So yeah, so the outfit is what I have is I don't know what sort of a crop top this is, but then yeah, this is a crop top apparently, and
Okay.
it kind of has some I don't know
I think
design.
that's a bag.
This is the back.
This is the back, yeah. This is the back,
Okay.
and this is the front. And
it's kind of cute.
the
Not
ribbon,
bad.
the ribbon that I had in mind is in this, so that it kind of goes with the outfit that I have.
front of the top, if you guys can see. This is the back. It's a cute
That's
top.
cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, not
We
bad.
can make this work.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and this is a palazzo pant. I actually had high waist jeans in my mind, but could not get it.
Okay.
But yeah, so this is the pant that I got, and this is actually this comes up to the mid waist, and yeah, so thought the outfit would work. I like the colors.
Yeah,
It
I like
can-
the combination.
It goes well.
Definitely.
Yeah, but it's just that the material of this pant feels weird.
I don't know. It felt like
Oh,
a
it's like
pant.
a. No, I think it'll be fine. I mean,
Yeah, no, I like the pant.
Yeah.
Can make this work too.
Yeah.
So guys.
Where would she wear this?
Yeah.
Where are you visualizing? Like, what's the scene around it?
Party kind of in lunch or yeah, party brunch. It's a brunch. It's kind of a brunch outfit.
Brunch.
Yeah,
Ladies.
brunch ladies outfit, and
Just taking-
she I'm basically taking her words. So since she gave us an option of making a particular two
Yeah.
items.
Oh yeah. The thing was, they had to each buy outfits under $1,000, but also they could use 2 items from my wardrobe if necessary, like accessories or shoes, something like that, but not obviously clothes. So yeah. So what do you have in mind for this?
So yes, your peach colored heels that you have,
Yeah.
and either your bracelet, the
The new one.
the new ones, or the earrings, around earrings would go with this. That is all.
Let's-
It's a simple outfit, nothing too fancy about
No,
it.
it's okay. It's fancy.
This was the best that I could come up with.
It's okay. I appreciate your efforts.
And
Your efforts are being acknowledged.
Susan,
Yeah, congratulations.
you should recognize, somebody does well.
Yeah, anyway.
No, you know you
no,
won it. That is why.
No,
No, I
didn't
think not
show. you would have seen the lights have changed because the night.
Oh no! Susan, what light changed? It's the same light, right? So it is the same light. Yellow and warm. White.
Shut up and draw you.
Okay. So, the backstory is that the things that I bought for Manu, they are things that I want to see her in. Things that are in line with what she wears, but she never pushes them this far, is what I feel. Okay? So I want to get her a color that I've seen her a little bit in, but I would like to see more, her more in that color. So this is this sweater. It's a crew neck sweater. It's also got texture. I feel like she wears clothes that has writing on it, but not texture. Today she is wearing some texture, which I really like on her. Okay, so I got her this sweater. Covering your face.
So this is the sweater that she got. I really like the sweater because this is like one color which I really don't have in my wardrobe. Probably I have a color similar to this. And probably it's one top with again something written on it. Obviously, I am trying to change my style to like plain colors and just plain stuff without like anything written on it. And this is also nice. I really like this, and I also don't like too thick sweaters. I also feel like I'm suffocating.
Exactly.
So
Which is why I didn't make you a dirty because I knew you would tell me that you were suffocated. It's not what you feel. Isn't it?
So what?
Yeah. But
I really like this sweater. If you can see it, guys.
I feel like it's a good transition piece also. You can wear it like on
Daily montages.
like on a slightly colder day.
Or
But you can wear it with shorts also.
Nice. Or I can like chuma throw it in my bag like a backup if I need a
Look
like
at
an
those
outfit
fashion juices flowing.
change. Next, to go with this,
I got you a pair of biker shorts.
I knew you would go for this.
Yeah.
The moment you told me that you're gonna try to put me in something that I've always wanted to try,
Yeah.
but also out of my comfort zone a little.
I thought of getting you a colored pattern, these one, but then I realized that I wanted to have these things. I wanted to not just throw them somewhere. So I got you something black and plain. I know you like black tight bottoms. That's something I know about you. Like that's something I can write on your like tombstone. So I was like, I'm gonna get you this, but I wanted to get you like something little different.
If you guys, like all my friends who actually know me, know how important my black jeans are to me.
That's how she wears, black skinny jeans.
But today, I'm wearing something different.
I'm very happy to see that.
Thank you.
So that's why I was like, I'm not going to push her too far, but I'm going to push her a bit.
Thank you so much. I really like the outfit.
And so the outfit, I have got you a headband because I knew you were looking for a headband. And I feel like this goes like really nicely with the shades we are going. And with this from your wardrobe, I wanted to wear the boots. And I told you the hairstyle, right? Like the one on your DP.
Oh, the
fake fringe thing. With the bun. And I want you to wear your thick trainers.
The white trainers.
Yeah, white trainers.
Oh, you told me to wear my heels.
Yeah.
Okay. So, too many warm tones. I mean, cool tones here.
Yeah.
Never tried all this.
I want that.
Let's see who wins. And you guys can also comment down below who you think won this challenge. Fight for it! What are you doing sitting in one corner?
Not sitting in one corner.
See,
I'm
when
sitting
you
in the
know
frame.
defeat is inevitable,
Yeah.
it's better to accept it than to fight.
Guys,
You're
this
not
is what I
understanding
go
that I gave it
through.
up to you.
This is what I go through all the time. Probably you would have watched in my last video where I mentioned there are two friends behind the camera who are fighting.
I'm sorry.
Best friends, okay?
All the five
Who
fingers
me?
are here.
Both are me.
Yeah, all the five
I'm
fingers are
sorry
here.
myself.
Yeah.
Guys, this is going forever. They will not let me talk. So this is what happens. Okay. So now I'm gonna try my outfits, and when you see them, when I show it to them and when I show it to you guys, you can decide who won and let me know in the comments down below. Okay? Genuine comments, please. So let's go. Let's try these outfits. Come on. Start the video.
I won.
So guys, I'm back with my first outfit. This is the one that he got for me. I actually really like the top. I actually really like the top, and I also like how it ties a bow in the back and the lace back. It's very nice. The pant is also really good, and the length is actually perfect. I guess where it stands. I am actually wearing a ballerina, not my stilettos, because I felt like this goes better with the outfit right now, because my stilts were a little on the pink side. So I feel like this matches my outfit like properly than the shoes that I have. Probably I'll buy a different shoes just for the outfit.
Why doesn't shoes also sponsor?
Yeah. Anyway, this I gave. So now like in return gift.
Okay. Yeah.
For my stilts. Okay. Like beige.
Yeah.
Nude stilts. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift and the sponsorship.
Hashtag sponsored as well.
Yeah, hashtag sponsored by Sudarshan. Oh my god.
I'm going to push you into the next.
Oh, our insults have grown.
They will not stop this. Yeah. I really like how you let me, how you made me experiment with different styles, because obviously this is not what I usually wear. So I really like the top and I really like the bottoms too. So now let's go see what she got and how it looks like.
Obviously, it's better.
6.5 hours later.
So guys, this is the outfit that Bam bought for me.
Obviously, no
Yeah.
one is confused.
Yeah, obviously he bought the previous outfit. This is the outfit that you bought. Yeah, so this was something that I really always wanted to try, the biker shorts and a sweatshirt and an oversized t-shirt and things like that, with obviously my trainers. And I really like this outfit a lot. This color, I always thought I would not look good in light colors, but yeah, I really like this color and obviously the biker shorts, and it is black in color. I would obviously love it. And yeah, I really like the style. I just made it a little crop by tucking it in. That's it. Because I prefer it this way, and I feel like it looks better when it's
Much better.
cropped. Yeah. So this is the outfit. I really like how it fits me, and it's not too tight, it's not too loose, and it's not like very thick where I feel like I'm getting suffocated. A little claustrophobic, so I can't wear like too tight and too thick stuff. So yeah, I really love this outfit a lot. I've been looking at myself in the mirror for so long in this outfit. So yeah, guys, these are the two outfits that these two got for me, and I personally feel like she won. I really like
Yeah.
this because this is something that I always wanted to like try. I told you before, and she pushed me into it. Like
Yeah.
do it, Anantara.
I'm that friend. Like, I'm that person in your life.
Correct. Yeah. So yeah, I personally nothing against your outfit, nothing against you.
Of course not.
No, at least.
No, Disney. You're talking.
Okay.
Holding back his fear. Just a safe space. Safe space.
So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you come back next week for another video for more fun stuff that's coming up. Please leave your comments down below of what other videos you would like to see in the future, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and also turn on the notification button, the bell icon, and because you'll be notified obviously whenever I upload the video. So that's it for today. Bye guys.